A preposition is a word or group of words used to link a noun, pronoun or noun phrase in the sentence. Link here means they provide a relationship between noun and other words, that is nouns, verbs or adjectives in any sentence, and thus makes a complete sentence. They act to connect the people, objects, times and location of a sentence. Let's understand them with some examples. Sarah was hiding under the table. Here, under is used to link the table, which is a noun, and hiding is a placement of Sarah. So if we don't use under and write the same sentence, it would be Sarah is hiding the table. We are not able to get what is the relationship between hiding of Sarah and the table. But by using the word under, we confirm that Sarah is hiding under the table. Hence, under is a preposition here. Now let's look into the different types of preposition. They are divided into three types depending on three situations. That is, when the thing or event happened, where the thing or event occurred, or which direction the thing or event is happening. The preposition that describes when the event happened are defined as the preposition of the time. Examples: in, on, at, before, after. Let's understand them with some sentence examples to make the point clear. Breakfast is a meal which is generally eaten in the morning. Here, when is the breakfast taken? It is taken in the morning. In here is the linking word and hence it is a preposition. Let's see another example. We always have a huge celebration on New Year's Eve. Here, when is the huge celebration? It is on New Year's Eve. On here is the linking word and hence it is a preposition. Let's see one more example. The shop closes at midnight. Here, when the shop gets closed, it gets closed at midnight. At here is the linking word and hence it is a preposition. Remember that this preposition links when one thing happened in context to another. Now let's see the next one. The preposition that describes where anything is in context to other are defined as preposition of place. For example, under, above, in, on, at. These are the examples. Now you might think we had in, on and at in a preposition of time and here also. But please remember they are used in different meanings. Let's see few sentence examples to make the things clear. The keys are on the table. Now where are the keys placed? They are placed on the table. Here, on describes the link between table and keys. So, it is a preposition of place. The pictures are above the couch. Here, where are the pictures? They are above the couch. So, above is the linking word. Remember, these preposition provides where the thing is with respect to another. Now let's look into the next type, the preposition that describes where to go or where to put something. They are called as preposition of direction. For example, to, into, of, from. Let's understand this with some sentence examples. We went to Paris last week. Here, to describe in which direction we went, so here to is the linking word. Let's see another example. The hikers walked up the hill. Here, up is describing in which direction he went. So up is the linking word here. Remember, preposition provides in which direction the thing is in respect to another. So these are the three main types of preposition. Now let's see into one more term related to prepositions, that is prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase is a group of words containing preposition. It draws a relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence. Prepositional phrase includes a preposition, its object, and any modifiers of the object. Prepositional phrases can function either adjective phrases or adverb phrases to modify the other words in a sentence. Let me give you some examples. The store at the corner sells sandwiches. At is the preposition and at the corner is the prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase functions as an adjective phrase which is modifying store. Let's see another example. The sun rose over the mountain. Here, over is the preposition and over the mountain is the prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase functions as an adverb phrase modifying rose. Now let us see why are preposition and prepositional phrases so important. Prepositions and prepositional phrases provide the important details about the words they modify. They include answering the following questions like which one, what kind, how, where, when, and to what extent. So remember, preposition and prepositional phrases are very important to study. So that's all about the preposition and prepositional phrases in this video. Let's do a quick recap. We firstly discussed about what is preposition. Then we discussed about the types of preposition, which is preposition of time, preposition of place, preposition of direction, and lastly we saw prepositional phrases. That's all in this video.
In prepositions, small words can make big differences in meaning. For example, Trixie found it under the shelf. Trixie found it on the shelf. Under and on are words that can make a difference in a sentence. They show different relationships between found and shelf. The words that shows this relationship are prepositions. Here are the common prepositions: about, above, across, after, along. A preposition relates another word in a sentence to the noun or to the pronoun that follows a preposition. You have to familiarize these words. The noun or pronoun that follows a preposition is the object of the preposition. Example: I like the book with the blue cover. Cover is the object of the preposition because it follows by the preposition word with. Next one, Trixie gave it to me. Me is the object of the preposition because it follows by the preposition word to. Prepositional phrases is made up of a preposition, the object of the preposition, and all the words between them. It describes another word in a sentence. Example: we packed the fruit in our knapsack. In our knapsack is the prepositional phrase that shows and describes the word packed as a verb. The object of the preposition can be compound object. For example, we took enough oranges for Manuel and Anita. It can be at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the sentence. Example: at dawn, we began our walk. It's in the beginning. Next, the map of the area was helpful. It's in the middle. Next, the path went by a forest and a large lake. it's at the end. So the phrases can be at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end. In writing with prepositions, these help us elaborate the sentence using prepositional phrases, and it can add meaning and detail to our sentences. Example, another name is a drawbridge. You can make it or elaborate it this way. Another name for a bascule bridge is a drawbridge. This makes sense. Let's have another example. When a prepositional phrases appear in the wrong places, they can make a sentence unclear or silly. For example, the signal tells the captain to cross on the side of the bridge. This is incorrect. You have to write the phrase as close as possible to the noun or a verb it describes. You can say, the signal on the side of the bridge tells the captain to cross. This is the correct way because it is closer to the verb. Next one, we have pronouns and prepositional phrases. When the object of the preposition is a pronoun, use an object pronoun. Here are the object of the pronouns. Object pronouns: me, you, him, her, it, and them. Example, I gave a picture to Tom and her. People sometimes get confused when the pronoun is part of a compound object. To see whether the pronoun is correct, remove the other object and check the pronoun alone. If we remove Tom, this is how it will look like. I gave a picture to her, which is correct. Let's see if you know how to describe adverb or preposition in a sentence. First, Susan ran inside. Is it an adverb or a preposition? It's an adverb. Her hat was inside the store. Inside is a preposition. The shopkeeper locked up. This is an adverb. Susan raced up the stairs. It's a preposition. Look carefully at how the word is used in a sentence. Here are some words that can be used as either adverbs or prepositions: above, below, in, if, outside, along, by, inside, over, under, around, down, near, out, and up. Thank you for listening. Do your best.